our advanced English vocabulary session. Our today's three words are word 40 is proscribe, word 41 is enormity, and word 42 is inviolable. Proscribe means to officially forbid or prohibit something. It means to restrict something or to forbid something, but that through official channel, through official command. And its synonyms are censor, outlaw, and restrict. Censor something or outlaw any political organization or any other organization or any other thing. So we use the word proscribe for such activities. And its synonym is the school administration has decided to proscribe the use of mobile phone during school class hours. Now, the school administration is the official authority in that school, and that is decided to proscribe, to forbid, to restrict the use of mobile phone during class hours. So whenever we are talking about prohibition of something, but that through official channel, so we use the word proscribe. Our next word is enormity. It means extreme state of something that is morally wrong. When we are talking about something that is morally wrong, that is wicked, and we are talking about its extreme level, so we use the word enormity. And its synonyms are immensity, monstrosity, and heinousness. We say that there is no other extreme condition beyond this. There is no other condition beyond this. This is the extreme condition of wickedness, of immoral activity, of immoral thing, of immoral act. Its sentence is, the enormity of his betrayal left everyone stunned. Now, anyone who has betrayed someone or any other person to an extreme condition, so we use the word enormity for that. So there is no other condition beyond this level. So we use the word enormity, and it is used in negative sense. Enormity is always used in negative sense when we are talking about the extreme condition, the ultimate condition, the ultimate state of something, but that thing must be negative. So enormity is used in negative sense. The next word is inviolable. Now it means something that cannot be violated, something that is too sacred, that is too secure, that cannot be violated, that cannot be breaked. Its synonyms are sacred, secure, or unbreakable. That thing could be a promise, that thing could be a religious principle or a law or any other thing that cannot be breaked. Its sentence is, the promise to protect our secrets was inviolable. Now the promises may be made between two persons, and they have decided that no matter what may come between us, but we will not reveal our these particular secrets. So now this promise is inviolable. This promise cannot be revealed. So these were our three words, and we will see you in the next session, inshallah. So support our channel, subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you so much for your support. Allah Hafiz.